Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your EngageBay CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Meet to your EngageBay CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link or connect your Google Meet to EngageBay CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, setting up your sales calls and meetings through EngageBay CRM, you know that if you connect your Google Meet, you can send out a Google Meet link with each meeting that you organize. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EngageBay CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EngageBay CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Google Meet, here on the top left, you want to make sure you're working in the sales section. Once you're here, you're going to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on preferences. All right, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click here on gadgets. Okay, once you click in the gadgets, you're going to see a lot of different options, but just scroll down until you see the Google Meet logo right here, and you're going to click on enable. Okay, next Google's going to open up a browser, and they're asking which Google Meet account you want to connect. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, next Google Meet lets you know they're going to share information with EngageBay, so you want to go ahead and approve the permissions and click on continue. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes back into EngageBay. So if you scroll down to Google Meet, you should see a green logo right here. So let me go back here to the home screen. Okay, now here we are on the home screen, and if we go into calendar, okay, so here I'm in my calendar, I'm going to click on new event. Okay, here we are in new event, so we can go ahead and set up a new meeting. And if we scroll down a little bit, you're going to see this section, send invitation email. Click here to customize invitation email. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and set up a Google Meet. So when you're setting up this invitation letter here on meetings, you're going to click there, and then you're going to choose Google Meet. And then here you can go ahead and add the Google Meet link into the invitation. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Meet to your EngageBay CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.